Okay, today we are going to learn the easiest way to sort data in separate columns. For example, you have been assigned a task of entering the details, employee details, for example, in this case, employee details, wherein name and ID in different columns. So the best way is to write down the field value here. For example, the value of Alex is B4 and his ID is B5, right? The next is John, whose value is B6 and ID is B7. So you just need to copy them, select them and drag till end. After that, you just need to enter Control plus F to find the value, okay, and then replace them with equal to B, okay. You just need to change the value of B with equal to B, okay, and then just click on the replace all. Here we go. You can see all the values are being separated in different columns.